I don't want this life anymore. Wala niyo lang confidence. Wala kami.
Bumalik kami ng town para sa 170. Pag-taxi din lang natin.
Gone by night.
Inubulit natin.
It's not an easy road that leads you to the light. It's winding out. Someday it'll straighten out, and it's worth it on the other side. You only get one shot, everything to lose.
Update, nakapagpasa na po kami.
Lord, take me now, I'm broken and bruised. Can you save my soul, 'cause I need you. I need you.
Passage. Kalimutan ko na kasi matagal na kasi ako hindi nag-aral.
I'm no good, and I'm no saint.
Hi, Nicole.
Hello.
I won't pretend to be somebody.
Wow.
I've been in love.
Hi guys, for today mag-unbox po tayo ng brand new Toyota. Tahimik naman tayo. So today we will have 3 cars that we will be unboxing. So first we have the color black, silver, and white. So yung top of the line po natin dito ay yung black.
Wow, alam niyo yung top
And
of the
yung
line.
manual po natin dito ay yung puti. At yung silver naman po ang ating in the middle lang. Ayaw mo? So today we had a very fun day. We talked about our supervisors in the clinic and in East
Patingin ng wheel.
Hindi, ulitin natin.
Ulit. Ay, natanggal talaga.
Ay, i-marday nyo para makita nila. Hello, gusto ko si unicorn natin. Isa mas, paano pag hindi mo pala gusto mong pangasawa? Hindi, ano mo, isang lang. Siyempre, magpakasal ka na sa gusto mo.
Basta niyakap pa naman yung gate. Niyakap yung gate. Hi guys, so we're here at Balay Mami and Paris. And we're so wake and bake.
Selling?
Consumer? Next! 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 Next time!
Channel position.
Serve naman, nag-quiz tayo kanina.
Hi vlog, so this is our pantry. Sakit na ito.
Uy!
Dapat na ba tayo, di ba? Uy, hindi ko na be my first time to be able to buy at the Sari Sari stores.
Right, right.
I will rate this 10 out of 10. So, ano lang?
Can you say for today?
All I can say is that I was enchanted to meet you. Cherise. I'm so tired. It's very, very tiring, but we are so very happy. We're feeling energetic, proactive in this.
Manaw ko niyo sa Jollibee.
Memorize ko lang.
Sino unang tatawag siya yung uiiyak?
I don't usually cry at all.
I don't want this
But why is it always cold? Ranging from to made of people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of fear.
Ano to? Anong ba yan? Ayaw.
Treehouse.
Eh, tinutong mo naman sa akin, eh.
Hindi, ano kasi dancing queen na yan, no? Dancing queen.
Sabi ko yung ano?
guys.
time if I recall was a feeling of being alone. I don't know where I'm going isn't far,
So we're gonna try it here in Taon.
no
Immersed with the Filipino culture.
is there.
As a tourist.
I really miss the shade of blue.
Let's try, guys! We're gonna
Just take it slow. I want to find out better all again. From now I will feel the ocean feel.
visit very, very warm because
And I pray
We don't know.
that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be
they
too
were
long
eating the
till
famous
we
delicacy
arrive
of the
the coming
Philippines.
day.
This is what they call this?
Please
Red egg
ignore my
with
restless
tomato
face, 'cause it's
onions,
hard
and this
to
is longanigan.
keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said in